Kerri Ho from the Songbird where we get grounded, take flight and sing. Welcome to day 2 of 21 days to your new voice. So over the next 21-day journey, it's all about me giving you bite-sized things that you can basically do every day in order to cultivate a great habit of practicing vocals every day, because it's the little things that you show up to do every day that's going to really make a big difference to your voice. Okay, so I want you to be able to sing your heart out. Okay, and so we are going to begin with a beautifully common exercise called the bubble. Okay, so all it is you're gonna, it's called a lip trill. Okay, where you just go. Okay, now this is a crucial exercise. A lot of you will be like, oh, why is she telling us this exercise again? Well, I want to get you to the great foundations of how to do it properly, okay? This is really crucial. Okay, so with the bubble, all right, the key to it is that it is done in a very gentle, non-pushed way. So if you try really hard and take too big a breath, if you're like, you're gonna find it super hard to actually get your lips to vibrate together properly, okay? So the key is, you don't even really need to think too much about your breath, all right? Just trust yourself, okay? Just expand a little bit in the tummy and the ribs, right? And then and you'll find that it actually comes quite naturally. So the exercise we're gonna do is a bubble on an arpeggio, which goes like this. But we're actually gonna do it staccato, like this. Okay, now if you find it hard to do it staccato at the beginning, it's all good. Just practice it legato, which is smooth, and that's completely fine. And once you get that, and then you can try to let it go and make it more staccato. Okay. All right. So here's the point. Okay, we've got to make it gentle. We don't want to push, and we don't want to get loud on this one. This is actually a quiet exercise. Now I don't mean you hold back, but what I mean is that it's just free, but you don't need to go. Like that, okay? So that is so crucial. You've got to get those foundations right, and this exercise is going to help you so much, okay? So we're going to start here, and then guys, you're here, alrighty? And we're just going to do really gently, okay? So you will have noticed that I did not get louder, right? One of the habits that we do all the time, this is me included when I first was learning singing, is that we go, so we tend to get louder as we go higher. It's this mindset that we think, when I go higher, I've got to try harder. It's a subconscious thing. You probably don't even know you're thinking that. But that tends to dictate a lot of our singing, and it always starts at the bubble. But the bubble's meant to be gentle. This is a warm-up exercise, right? It helps you to get your vocal folds just really flexible and nimble. And if you're pushing it already from the start at this exercise, the rest of your vocal warm-up is going to be pretty difficult, and then when you get into singing, you're still going to lose your voice, all right? So this is so crucial. All right, so we're going to do that again now, and this time you're going to be doing it on your own. I'm just going to play the scale for you, but you're going to make sure it's gentle. You're not going to get loud at the top. You're going to keep the same volume throughout, okay? Just nice and gentle. Here we go. Great. Don't get louder. Nice. Keep it gentle. Good work. Good. Good, we're going to come down now. Nice and gentle. Don't take too big a breath. Good. And last one. So there you go. All the tips that you need in order to master one of the most important warm-ups that a singer does, but a lot of us just do mindlessly without really knowing how to approach it. So make sure it's gentle, don't get loud at the top, and don't take too big a breath, and don't push, okay? All right, enjoy that exercise. Start doing it anywhere. In the car, while you're washing dishes, while you're walking around the house, while you're walking down the street. Who cares? Just start doing it, okay? And I will see you back here tomorrow for day 3 of 21 days to your new voice. Now, in the meantime, if you'd like a bit of a warm-up cheat sheet to tell you all the exercises that you need to do that will perfectly warm up your voice for free, go to my website at the link below, click on it, and you'll be sent it via email, and you're gonna love this. All right, I'll see you tomorrow, Songbird, for day 3 of 21 days to your new voice. Bye.